Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, new week, new day, new puzzles. Monday, February the 6th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles. This Sudoku with 3 stars, this Sudoku with 4 stars. So, two puzzles remain. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Sudoku. And this one, you are interested. Binary puzzle number 5918. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. 14. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now. Now you need to think here. Now you need to think. Alright. Okay. Let me see. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 here in this column, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Then here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 in this column here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Then. Let me think. Well, time for comparing. We have only 1 row. Double O, no. We have here 2 columns, 101. This column and that column. 1100111100 empty box 00. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. And now, 1, 2, 3. Compare again. Yeah. With this column and that column. So we have here empty box 1100111100 empty box. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright. 4 1s we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. And now, yeah. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10? Yeah, no. Well, here, no, it's not the same. Not the same. 10, 10. No. Wow. Four numbers here. Here with three O's. Well, the rows I cannot compare. How about the columns? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. No. Ooh. How about these? 1, 1. Ah. Look to the ones. Not comparing, but look to the ones. Here we have the first one, second one, third one. In this column, the fourth one is this one. I cannot place the one here, otherwise we will have identical columns. So this box should be no then. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Three O's we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Yeah, you need to compare twice or 3 times. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.